Welcome to Alphanumerictricks. Today we are going to see the remaining problems under the topic linear equations and one variables of NCERT class 8. We call it to be part 2. Okay, part 2. For part 1 is available in the previous video. If you want, please go through it. Now we are going to see this problem. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? That is, you have, what do you mean by consecutive integers? What do you mean by consecutive integers? Consecutive integers is next number. For example, if we start with 5, consecutive number of 5 is 6 and then 7 like that. Okay, you have to take 7, 8 like that. You have to next number is called consecutive integers. So we have to take only 3 consecutive integers. That 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. We have to find out those integers. We doesn't know about consecutive integers. That is, we doesn't know about the integer. So let the integer be x. We take the integer is x. Okay, let the integer be x. After taking x, we have to take 3 consecutive integers, isn't it? So we have 3 consecutive integers be 3 consecutive integers be, one is x, other one is x plus 1 and other one is x plus 2. Okay, so we have to take that integer consecutive integer of 3 numbers. So x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. And what is our condition given? When you add all the 3 consecutive integers, the total number you obtained is 51. Okay, so when you adding all the 3, we get that is answer is 51. So as per our condition, given problem, okay, when you adding these integers x plus 1, next integer is x plus 1 and next one is x plus 2. When you adding all the 3 terms, okay, x plus 1 and x plus 2, when you adding all the 3 consecutive integers, the answer we obtained is 51. Okay, so how will you get the other terms? That is, you have we have to add all the things, x plus x, which is 2x, and 2x plus x is 3x. So 3x plus number 1 plus 2. You, what is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3, is equal to 51. Okay, or otherwise 3x is equal to, you have to take this plus 3 to minus right hand side, it becomes minus 3. So you have to write 51. This plus 3 is taken to other side, it becomes minus 3. So 3x is equal to, what is 3x value? 3. What is 51 minus 3? 51 minus 3 is 48. Okay, 3x is equal to 48. What about x? X is equal to, you have to take this 3 to the denominator because it is in product. So you have to take this 3 to the denominator. So 48 divided by 3. Okay. So what about weight? This is 3 times it goes. So 1 time, and here 4 times 3, that is 3. Here 4 goes only 1 time to 3, and remaining you have 1, and 1 into 8, that is, you have to 1 8, you have to take 18. 18 6 times of 3 is 18. Okay, the answer is 16. So the value of x is equal to 16, but we have to find out all the 3 integers, isn't it? So the consecutive integers we taken as three consecutive integers we consider as x plus 1 and x plus 2. So the required answer is, so the required integers are equal to, x is 16 and 16 plus 1, 16 plus 2. That is, you have a 16 plus 1 is 17 and 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, so these are the required integers. Okay, so required integers are 16, 17 and 18. Is that clear? Now we will pass on to the next problem. Our next problem is, The sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8 is 8, 8, 8. Triple 8 is given and find the multiples. We have to find out the multiples. What is that is we have to take the consecutive multiples of 8. Okay. So the same way here we taking consecutive integers. We are taking three consecutive integers. Here we have to take multiples of 8. Okay. So let the integer be x. We take let the integer b, let the integer be x. We have to take consecutive multiples of 8. First we have to take multiples of 8. What is multiples of 8? Multiples of 8 is, when you considering number x, that is multiplied by 8 is 8x. Okay, multiples of 8 is 8x. What we have to take next? Consecutive multiples of 8. Okay, consecutive multiples of 8. How many consecutive multiples we need? 3 consecutive multiples. Okay, so let the 3 consecutive multiples be, consecutive multiples be, 3 consecutive multiples be, what is this? 8 into multiples of 8. Okay, multiples of 8b, that is we have to consider. Okay, 8 into x and 8 into x plus 1 consecutive multiples we are taking, isn't it? 8 into x plus 2. So the multiples are, so the three multiples are the three integers are. Okay, so the three numbers are, three numbers are 8x. You have to take this 8 to inside this. 8 into x is 8x plus 1 into 8 is 8. And you have to take 8 inside these two terms. 8 into x is 8x plus 8 into 2 is 16. So these are the three consecutive multiples of 8. 8x, 8x plus 8, 8x plus 16 are the three consecutive multiples of 8. Now, when you adding all the three consecutive multiples, when you sum all the three consecutive multiples, you obtain the result as 888. Okay, so we have to use that condition. So, according to our given problem, according to our problem, when you add all the three integers, 8x plus 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16, we get 888. Okay, when you add all the integers, you get the answer is 888. What is 8x plus 8x plus 8x? 3 8s is there, isn't it? 24x. Okay, so 24x plus, what is 8 plus 16? That is also equal to 24, is equal to 888. 24x is equal to 24x is equal to 888 minus 24. So you have to subtract this with 24 4 times and 6, that is 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6 and 8 you have to write it, so which is equal to 864. And then we have to write x, isn't it? That is, you have to take this 24 to other side. So x is equal to 864 divided by 24. This is in product. So you have to take that to the denominator. And here we have to cancel this number. So with this goes 3 times. So sorry, multiples. This is a multiples of 3. We can use a third table, or you can use the 2's table also. When you use the 3's table, it goes so 8 times. And what about this? 2 times 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Remaining you have a 2. 8 3s are 24. Okay, 8 3s are 24 and remaining you have a 2 and again 24 is there, so 8 3s are 24. Okay. And then what about this number? Here you have when you're taking a 2's table, 4 2s are 8 and here you have 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and here you have one time, and 4 we take to 4 one time, and this is equal to that is how many? 3 4s are 12, isn't it? 3 4s are 12, and remaining you have a 2, and here 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So the value of x is equal to 36. Value of x is equal to 36, but we have to need the multiples of this one. Okay, so three numbers. What are the three numbers? Three numbers b 3. What are three numbers? Three numbers are x plus 8. Okay, and that is x plus 8. We have this number now, 8 into x, that is 8 into x. We have this, sorry, the three numbers are, this you have x is 36, isn't it? 8 into 36, 8 into 36 plus 8, and 8 into 36 plus 16. We have to multiply this numbers. Okay, so 36 into 36 into 8 is 288, and then again 36 into 8 is 288 plus 8. Okay, and 36 into 8 is 288 plus 16. Okay, so we have 288, and 288 plus 8 is 296, isn't it? So this value is equal to 296. And what about the 288 plus 16? 288 plus 16 is 304. Okay, that is 8 plus 6 is 14. So you have to write 4 here, and 1 you have 2 and 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 you have to write 1 here, and 304. So the three numbers b, three numbers, like the three required numbers b equal to 288, 296 and 304. Okay, and now we will pass on to the next problem. What is our next problem? Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Okay, find these numbers. Now we have the three consecutive numbers, that is three consecutive integers. First we have to take the three consecutive integers. Okay, so we see line by line. Let the three consecutive integers be consecutive integers be. What are these consecutive integers? X, x plus 1 and x plus 2. This is our consecutive integers. Okay, and here when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4. Okay, they are taken and multiplied, that is when they are taken in increasing order. When they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4. Increasing order, na, you have to take x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and that is multiplied by 2, 3, 4. So the numbers be, according to our condition, we have, according to our given condition, we have this numbers is multiplied by 2, and the next one is 3, and the next one is 4. Okay, next one is 4. Okay, this is the three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, that is increasing order, na, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and previous problem this line is not given, but this problem it is given. That's the difference. Okay, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and those numbers are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so these numbers are multiplied by next number is multiplied by next integers 2, 3 and 4. So 2 into x, 3 into x plus 1 and 4 into x plus 2. When you multiply this, and after multiplying you add this, you get the value is 74. So when you given when you adding these numbers, it gives 74. So 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 74. This is given in our problem. Okay, so we have to simplify this and then write the numbers. We have to simplify and write the numbers. That implies, so from this term, this implies 2x plus you have to take 3 inside. So 3x plus 3 into 1 is 3 you have to write, plus 4 is taken inside, 4 into x is 4x, plus 4 and this plus you have to write it, plus here also plus 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 74, and you have to add x terms together. 2x plus 3x is 5x, 5x plus 4x is 9x, plus this number 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, so 3 plus 8 is 11 is equal to 74, or you have a 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. You have to take plus 11 to other side, it becomes minus 11. Okay, so when you're subtracting this, 4 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, sorry, 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 6, 63. 9x is equal to 63. From this, x is equal to 63 divided by 9. Okay, 63 divided by 9. This is one time. And what about this 9 time, 9's table? That is 7 9s are 63. So, the value of x is equal to 7. Okay, the value of x is equal to 7. So what about those numbers? What about those numbers? The required numbers be here. What is the question we have? Three consecutive integers are when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by this and adding 74, find these numbers. So these numbers only we have to calculate x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. Here the another condition is given, multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively. So that is for when you multiply this by 2, 3, 4 and add up, it gives 74. But we have to take the consecutive integers. This alone we have to take x, x plus 1 and x plus 2 to write the answer. Okay, so we have to write this number. So the three consecutive numbers be consecutive numbers in the increasing order be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. That is the number we have, isn't it? So we have x is 7 and 7 plus 1 and 7 plus 2. So the required numbers are 7, 8, 9. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and don't confused with this. Don't substitute this values here. 2x, 3 into x plus 1, 4 into x plus 2. This is after multiplying this, when you add, you get 74. To get the x value only, we have to use this condition, and this numbers only you have to substitute. And the next one, what about the next problem? Next problem is the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Okay, two persons ages in the ratio 5:7 is given. Okay, and then 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Okay, 4 years later, after 4 years, okay, they both are increased 4 years, isn't it? So both the ages are added with 4, and then when you adding the sum, you get 56 years. And then now we have to find out the present age. Okay, we have to find out the present age. Okay, so we have to take the let the present age of present age of Rahul. Okay, Rahul B. First one is taken as Rahul and second one is taken as Harun in the ratio. Okay, Rahul B 5x and the present age of next one is Harun. Okay, Harun B 7x. Okay, present age of Harun B 7x. Okay, and next condition is 4 years later. 4 years later. Okay, 4 years later, what will be the ages? 4 years later, 4 years later, the age will be the age of Varun and the age of Rahul and Harun will be both the ages are added 4, isn't it? 4 years after 4 years. So 5x plus 4 the age of Rahul and 7x plus 4 is the age of Harun. Okay, 7x plus 4 the age of Harun. Okay. 4 years later, Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. 4 years, and you write like this. Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. Okay, this is the 4 years later. And we had to get another condition is given, sum of their ages will be 56. So when you are adding these two sums, that will be equal to 56. So that we had to add it. So sum of the ages will be 56. Sum of ages will be 56 is given. That is 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56, isn't it? Or this age will be equal to 56. So you have to add these two terms. What is 5x plus 7x? That is equal to 12x, isn't it? So 12x plus 4 is 8 is equal to 56, or 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. What is 56 minus 8? 56 minus 8 is 48. Okay, 48. Or you have x is equal to 48 divided by 12. This 12 is taken to the denominator. Okay, and 4 times this will goes to 4 times. Okay, this is the one time, and this is 4 times 12 is 48, or you can use 6 table, or 3 also it will go, so you can write it. So x will be equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 4, but this is not our answer. So the present age of Harun and present age of Rahul and Harun, we have to take it. So present age of Rahul is, what we take present age of Rahul here, 5x, isn't it? And what will the present age of Harun? 7x. So you have to substitute the values here. Present age of Rahul is 5x. Okay, that is equal to 5 into 4, which is 20. Okay, and then present age of Harun. Present age of Harun is 7x. That is 7 into 4. Okay, 28 years. Okay, 28 years. This is 20 years, and Rahul's age is 20 years, and Harun's age is 28 years. Okay. Now we pass on to the next problem. What is our next problem? The number of boys and the girls in the class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? That we have to find out. Okay, so first we have to take boys is 7 and the girls ratio is 5. Okay, so we have to write this. The number of boys. Let the number of boys in the class B, number of boys in the class B 7x, and let the number of girls, okay, girls in the class be 5x. Okay, and what is given? The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is that? That is, number of boys is 8. Eight boys are greater in, that is, 8 boys are in the class according to the boys and girls. Boys' strength is 8 more than the girls. So we have to write the difference. Okay, 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. That is the meaning of the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Okay, 8 more than the number of girls. That is the difference between boys and the girls is 8. Boys are greater in number. Okay, so 7x minus 5x is equal to 8, or you have 2x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 4. That is 8 by 2 we have to take it, which is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 4. And what about the number of boys in the class? Okay, number of boys in the class is, here you have to take it, number of boys, and we have to calculate this total strength, isn't it? Total strength. So for that we need a boys strength and then the girls strength, then only we go for the total strength. So first we have to calculate number of boys in the class. Okay, number of boys in the class is 7x, which is equal to 7 into 4, isn't it? So into 28. Okay, and in the same way, number of girls, okay, number of girls in the class is equal to, what is that? 5x, isn't it? 5x, that is 7 into 4 is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Okay, so total strength, okay, total strength is 28 plus 20, number of boys plus number of girls, which is equal to 48. Okay, which is equal to 48. This is the required answer. Now we pass on to the next problem. Next problem is, Bai Cheng's father is 26 years younger than Bai Cheng's grandfather. Okay, and 29 years older than Bai Cheng. Okay, 29 years older than Bai Cheng. The sum of the age of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? We have to calculate. That is, first you need Bai Cheng's age, isn't it? We doesn't know Bai Cheng's age. So if you know Bai Cheng's age, what about their father's age? Father's age is 29 years older than Bai Cheng. Okay, so we take Bai Cheng's age. Bai Cheng's age is x. Okay, and then what about their father's age? Okay, Bai Cheng's father's age. Father's age is x plus 29, isn't it? Okay, so Bai Cheng's father's age is x plus 29. Okay, and then what about Bai Cheng's grandfather's age? Bai Cheng's father is 26 years younger than Bai Cheng's grandfather. Okay, Bai Cheng's grandfather, that is, father of age is 29, and another condition is given, Bai Cheng's father is 26 years younger than Bai Cheng's grandfather. Okay, so what about the age of grandfather? What about the age of grandfather now? Grandfather age is equal to, this is x plus 29. This is our Bai Cheng's father's age. And here 26 years younger than Bai Cheng's grandfather. Bai Cheng's father is 26 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather. So when you adding the age of father plus 26, you get grandfather's age, isn't it? So we have to add this with 26. Is that clear? So age of grandfather is equal to x plus 29 plus 26, because Baicheng's father is 26 years younger than Baicheng's grandfather. So what is Baicheng's father's age? Baicheng's father's age is x plus 29. So when you find out grandfather's age, we had to add the x plus 29 with this 26. Okay, so which is equal to x plus 55. So this is the grandfather's age. Okay, and then what next we had to, what is our condition? Sum of all the three is equal to, sum of all the ages is equal to 135. Okay, so by condition, okay, by given condition, we had to add all the ages, x plus 29 plus x plus 55. X plus 55 is equal to 135. Okay, so here x plus x2x plus x3x. Okay, 3x plus, what about 29 plus 55? 29 plus 55 is 84, is equal to 135. Or you have to take this plus 84 to other side, it becomes minus 84. So we have, what is 135 minus 84, which is 51. Okay, so 3x is equal to 51. What about x? X will be equal to 51 divided by 3. Okay, so it is this 3 goes to the 1 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times it not go, so 1 time, and remaining is 2. The 1 time 3 is 3 and remaining is 2. 2 in 1 you have 21, and 7 times 3 is 21. So x is equal to 17. Okay, so what about, what is x? X is Baicheng's age, isn't it? So Baicheng's age is equal to 17. And what about Baicheng's father? That is age of father. Age of Baicheng's father. Age of Baicheng's father is x plus 29, isn't it? So x is 17 plus 29, which is equal to 46 years. 46 years. Okay. And what about age of grandfather? Age of Baicheng's grandfather. Age of Baicheng's grandfather is equal to x plus 55, isn't it? Sorry, not x plus 55. X plus 55. What about x? X plus 55. That is Baicheng's grandfather age, isn't it? 55. What is x? X is 17. 17 plus 55, you have to take it, which is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 you have to write, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 72 years. Okay, Baicheng's grandfather's age is 72 years. Baicheng's age is 17 years and his father's age is 46 years and his grandfather's age is 72 years. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please provide in the comment section. And if you want some other problems, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. Thank you.